What's good? What's up? What's going on? You're watching Simply As Nina. Can't go wrong. Yeah. Today we're going to get straight into it. I will be making a DIY face mask today. So I have my Pyrex bowl. I have my skewer, which is going to work as my, mixer. Rhassoul clay and apple cider vinegar. I'm going to get straight into it. I'm going to go ahead and get started and mix it together. Here's my Pyrex bowl. But it's about this much in there. This and we're going to eyeball it. Now I could tell that's too much from looking at it. But I'm gonna go ahead and start mixing it. Well, maybe it's not. It's actually not enough. You see, it's clumping up. I'm just gonna add a little more. We're gonna mix this up. I'll show you how it looks after I mix it. Now you could use this like this, but I like mine to be a little more thick. Add a teeny bit more. That's about a teaspoon. I will be applying this on a freshly washed face. Remove my facial jewelry. Alright, so I left it on for about 5 to 10 minutes. Well, 5 to 10 minutes. And this is how it's looking. It'll start to dry up on your face. You actually cannot eat this, so don't try to swallow it. But if your products don't come from nature, like you can't just get it out of nature, I would not use it on your face. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is take this mask off, and I'm just gonna use my sink. Typically I will get in the shower because it's a lot easier and it's a lot less mess. And this is the after. My skin is a lot softer. And what I would actually do is just follow up with some natural oils. A go-to oil for me is olive oil, but this is castor, sweet almond, and olive oil. So this is the finished result. And I would say to use this twice a week. My next face mask video will be my lemon honey face mask. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a like, subscribe so that you will be able to see future content that I post. And yeah, thank you for watching. Peace.